All right, so let's cover what macro content is for starters, and we'll go to micro content and how then we use them. So macro content is long form, quality, and detailed content that takes more resources to produce and consume. So we're talking about long videos, 20, 30-minute videos that have a lot of quality going into them, like a movie. That's long form content, long podcasts that range into the 20, 30-minute range, because these days we have some podcasts that are just 5 minutes that that you cover. But the long ones actually have a lot of context in them. White papers is an example because a lot of detail and thought goes into them. Blogs with tons of words, articles with tons of words and illustrations in them. And the benefits of macro content is you have lots of content to use for posts. So if you think about it, if you have a long article, you can grab a lot of social media posts from phrases you have in the article there. That just helps your social media assistant. It satisfies the detailed reader. There's some people that actually want to read detailed content based on what they're looking for. There are times that you want the quick content based on what you're looking for, but at times, based on how serious it is, you want the detailed content, and this satisfies the detailed reader. It can also be repurposed into different formats. Again, just like I said, you can then turn this long article into audio by reading it, into an audio format, or you could turn it into an ebook, So there are different ways that you could repurpose all this long form content. And another thing is it helps your brand. And why I say it helps your brand is you think of it, when you have quality content out there, people then know you are actually serious about what you do. If it's just a lot of little content out there, it doesn't solidify your brand as much as having a video where people can go, wow, that person was actually on set, or, there's lights here, there's this and that. So it really helps your brand. It knows that, lets people know how serious you are.